My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. And how are you guys? I hope you are fine and healthy. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a simple and great trick which may help you a lot in playing Tower of Hell, and it looks very nice also. You can change the colors of the light blocks in which when you steps you die. You know that blocks, I think you can set laser or lightsabers. I will show you by going in that level guys. So guys, I came in the next level and it has the laser in it. You know what are lasers? These lights in which when you steps you will die. So guys, you can change the color of them. This is the topic of the video, so I will show you how you can change the color of that. When you see more YouTubers seeing their Tower of Hell videos, their colors are some pinks, gold, orange, red. So guys, I am showing you how you can change it. First of all guys, in my Tower of Hell the language is changed and I don't even know what language it is. So I will show you by painting. You have to click on this option, the store, and click on settings guys. Here it is written another things I don't know. This third option, it is setting I guess. Just click on that, and here this is this line. This is 255 degree, or you can set it so your color will be changed. This line, see guys, you can change it. See, my color of laser is also changing. So I will change it in green color. So it will be applied to all the levels. Okay guys. So guys, let's end our video with a short Tower of Hell gameplay.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be